In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can highlight every other row in Microsoft Excel. Suppose this is our table. We want to highlight our rows, like this is our row and this row and this row, like this. Suppose this. We want to highlight this. For this, we just need to do something. Let's try with it. We want to highlight this table data, so we are selecting this. After selecting this, go to the home tab. Here you can see a conditional formatting. Click there. There is an option which is new rule. Click there, and now there will be a pop-up, and select use a formula to determine which cell to format. We are selecting this, and in the format value where this formula is true, we are entering our formula. Our formula is equal is odd bracket raw, then again a bracket and close the bracket and then close the bracket. Let's describe this formula. If the serial number row number is odd, that means 1 3 5 7 like this, then it will apply this formula. Let's format this. Here is the format option. Click here, and we want to just, you can use any of them, but we are just want to fill the color, and we are selecting this color, suppose. Then click OK. Then click OK. Look, our number 1 3 5 7 row has been colored beautifully. This is how you can add color. And if you want to add this formula on the even row, then you can also do it. Just go there, just conditional formatting, then the new rule, then format cell. As usual, equal is even, then row, close the bracket, then format, and suppose we are selecting this. Click OK, then OK. Look, this is how you can apply highlight option in every other row in Microsoft Excel. Hope that you like this video. Thank you.